Hello everyone and welcome to our channel, Claim What's Yours. Today I'd like to chat with you about named driver basis and regular driver basis and the possible consequences that would apply to you in the event of an own damage or third-party liability claim. So let me first of all tell you where these clauses apply. These clauses apply on personal lines policies. They do not as a rule apply on commercial policies. So a commercial policy that has got a fleet of vehicles and a whole lot of employees, it is generally not a provision on a commercial policy to have each driver listed for vehicles, because the drivers could change the vehicles closest to the front that driver uses, so it's not imposed on a commercial policy. However, we have noted that one of the leading short-term insurers in the South African market has imposed a named driver basis on an expensive motor vehicle insured under a business policy. And we're sure that all of the insurers would do the same. That would have to do with the value of the vehicle and the speed and capabilities of the vehicle. But going back to the personal lines. So personal lines policy has got named driver or regular driver. So let me read what a regular driver is. A regular driver means the person shown in your policy schedule who drives your vehicle most frequently. So that means the person, I can own it, but I don't drive it. I'm not the regular driver. Anybody can drive it. So my daughter goes out for lunch on a Sunday and she has something to eat and she's not feeling well and she can't drive the vehicle back. So her partner or a friend who's with her drives the vehicle back. The insurer will honor that claim. Now let's have a read of named driver. Named driver clause. The insurer will cover the policy only, quite important, only while it's being driven by you, your spouse or life partner, or any driver named in your policy schedule, or by a mechanic who's carrying out repairs or maintenance. So, if the individual is not named on that policy schedule, your insurer will not pay for own damage and third-party liability involving a motor vehicle accident. So you need to be aware of that. Please go and check your policy. Make sure that you've got the right cover. So although you may have agreed to that now, when you issued the policy, what happens is your son or daughter is traveling from overseas and coming to visit you, but you're on a named driver basis. And you say, sure, take my car up to the Kruger. Take my car, go for it. But you didn't tell the insurer. Policy says only. You would have difficulty getting such a claim paid. So we encourage you. And yes, you can, if you remember that that's what your cover is, that's awesome. Change the covers, update it all the time. The insurance company doesn't have to accept the named driver that you propose. So would they allow your 18-year-old son to drive your 6 million rand high-speed performance car? Perhaps not. But then that becomes a negotiation that you need to have with your insurer. So just to summarize, named driver basis or regular driver basis, please go and check your policy to make sure that you've got the right cover. And if you need to change it, chat to your insurer or chat to your financial service provider and let them know that you need to change the basis of your policy. There could be a premium implication, but there certainly will be a cover implication if you do not make sure that you've got the correct covers in place. If you'd like to know more, like, subscribe, and send us an email and we'll gladly assist you. Thank you very much.